Welcome back. We're continuing with knife skills this morning, and we're going to be doing, this morning actually, we're going to be cutting two different things, a mushroom and a tangerine.
Yes, I'm actually going to carve our Power Pea into the tangerine.
Okay.
And I'll show you the tools that I will use, and then when we come back for our second portion, I'll have it finished for you, and I'm working on another one in the bag.
Oh, that's cool.
So, but we're going to start with the mushroom because a lot of people do like mushrooms, but they generally only slice them. And one of the beauties of a mushroom is the fact that you can do so much with them. But what if you have that one that has a little bit of brown to it, or it has discoloration? So we're going to talk a little bit about cleaning it up with your knife skills.
Okay.
So the most common thing is, if you notice around a mushroom, that people don't like the stems because of the way that they look. But a simple paring knife and your skills, you just, you can bring it right down and smooth it up. And nice smooth strokes the whole way, just like so. You can change the texture of your mushroom so that it's uniform and it looks good when you go to do your presentation.
Okay.
So it's just a little bit of practice and working with it and having a little faith in you. Now, knife skills don't come overnight. It takes lots of practice, and I've had lots of practice with my knives. But it's just a matter of doing simple things like this. And then one of the more elegant things is fluting a mushroom.
Fluting a mushroom.
Fluting a mushroom, and that's giving a design to your mushroom, a textural design to your mushroom, so that it looks appealing on a plate with different things that you do. So even if you were to turn this into mushroom caps, all you do is you cut your desired spacing into it, just like so with your paring knife, and then we peel.
You're just peeling the top layer off?
We peel the top layer off in one section, and it gives you a depth.
It gives you a little textured look to it.
Yes.
And this purely for presentation.
And it looks good. You can use this in soups.
So do you roast your mushrooms? Or?
Yes, I'll actually do this, and then I'll roast my mushrooms so I have a depth and a texture to them. And then all you have to do is pop off the stem and stuff it up, and when it has this texture on it, it's very beautiful as it roasts, because the inside portion roasts darker than the outside portion does.
Oh, that's really pretty.
So you get a nice textural change all the way through it. You don't have to worry so much about it. And mushrooms are a great thing to practice on. They're relatively cheap. Potatoes too. You can do different things. I'm sure people have seen the videos where somebody goes through and writes on a banana. Write your kids a love note on their banana with the back of your knife.
On the outside of the peel?
On the outside of the peel, and then put it in their lunchbox, and then by the time they open it up, they have this sweet little note on their banana.
Okay, so are you using the same knife to cut with your
No,
orange?
we're going to actually brought my carving tools.
Okay.
And these are just wood handled tools. They're a lot like what potters would use to carve into clay, but these are designed specifically for
Okay, we're out of
fruit.
time now, so we will come back with our finished knife, and you can recap what you use for the tools as well. All right, we'll be right back.